I'm going to start by doing one of my favorite beauty hacks, which is using concealer to prime my eyelid. Selena had a super hot pink eyeshadow that really stole the show. So we're going to apply that all over our eyelid. I'm going to apply a second shadow that has extra shimmer. Now I'm going to use a creamy shadow stick. I'm going to apply that right by my tear duct. Now I'm going to apply my foundation all over my face and blend it with a sponge. Selena has killer brows, so I'm going to fill mine in using some pomade and an eyebrow brush. I'm going to start by using concealer to highlight under my eyes, under my cheekbone, and on my nose. Now I'm going to use a contour stick to outline the bridge of my nose, under my cheekbone, my jawline, and my hairline. Now let's blend it all out using a sponge. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of liquid eyeliner right above the lash line. We're going to add some extra shine with highlighter. For lip gloss, I'm just going to use a nice neutral color. To top it all off, I'm going to add a chunky gold choker. Tell me I don't look like Selena Gomez. Every week, we're going to be recreating some of your iconic celebrity looks. It's Jessica Franklin here from Hey Gorgeous.